Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here for Nature Speaks 333. I'm here with Teddy. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Hello, Teddy. So I'm here with Teddy, and I'm about to channel this bush. You see this bush? Yes. So I come over here, and I'm touching this bush, and I'm like, oh my God, the vibration is so freaking high that I had to do a channeling of the bush. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe right down below, peeps, and comment. Let me know if this resonates with you. If you're interested in tarot card readings, I do have another channel, which is your Sacred Scribe Tarot. I do daily readings for the astrological signs. Okay, so give me one moment and I will connect. Hello again. I already asked the name and I got a Rubert. First I thought it said Rupert, and I'm like, well, wait a minute, isn't that, what do you call it? Jane Roberts used to channel Seth. Anyway, Seth used to call her Rupert because of a past life or something. So anyway, that's why they gave me that name first, and then I'm like, okay, your name is Rupert, and they said no, Rubert. So Rubert. Anyway, long story short, give me a moment. Hello. I know you have a message. You already said. What is it? Lift yourself up and dust yourself off and keep moving. Attain for your inner being to consistently be in movement. We wish for everything within you to flow where it needs to be, when it needs to be there, and to keep that flow. It is the flow within you which makes up your vibration, your vibratory field that surrounds you. Let yourself follow it. A lot of you question this. A lot of you question where you're being pulled. Do not question your inner being, your inner knowing. It is there for a reason, this pull. You will disassociate yourself from this inner knowing if there is a lack of belief in it. Become one with your inner vibration. It serves a purpose. There is an allowance that lies within this energy that benefits you. it provides an opening for manifestation. Think of it as an antennae calling out what you previously called in. When you disassociate yourself from this field of vibration, you are, in essence, disassociating yourself from manifestations, your desires. You wonder where they are. You feel as if you have been looked past. It is only you who continues to look past yourself for evidence of manifestation. You hold all the power within you to create your world, but you must know who you are first. You must connect with who you are first. Discover your glow and embed yourself within this light, knowing that you are truly all that you need. Is that it? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Well, that was short and sweet, but I think I'm going to stay here a little bit longer because I'm loving the vibration of this. Said it was a blackberry tree. First I thought it was blueberry. They said no, blackberry. So, all right, so I'm going to sit with this tree, but there's Ted again. Teddy. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Hello. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment to this channel if you're interested in tarot card readings. My other channel is Your Sacred Scribe Tarot. I do daily readings there for the astrological signs, and I also have an Etsy page, which is in the description box below, where you can order personal readings. You have a beautiful day and keep connecting with your heart. Namaste.